Hi guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And I just got my boxes of my frozen stuff. So we're going to go ahead and unbox that. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. All right, so I got all my stuff. Super excited. Now, I missed out on Sven. It happens. It happens. If you guys were here for my video talking about the frozen stuff coming, you knew that Sven and Olaf we've had for a while, previous seasons, and they put them at rock bottom prices so that we could, you know, clear out our inventory and make room for new stuff. So they went fast. I missed out on Sven. I did get my Olafs. So I'm excited about that. And I also got my Elsa buddy. Also, if you follow me, you know that I get these buddies to save for when I have grandbabies. Which, I mean, they're not on the way or anything. I just, one day. All right, you guys. So the first thing we'll talk about is the Olaf Warm Hugs bar. You guys, this is one of my favorite scents of all time of Scentsy. It's very similar to, I don't know, it's like a mix of frosted vanilla, Arctic Kiss, vanilla mint. It's like vanilla and mint, and then there's a tiny bit of woods. I don't smell it. Scentsy says it's there. But oh my gosh. This is going directly in my club. It used to be in my club and it got pulled because I just didn't have money in my account. So when they ran it, they took it out because they were like, Vicki, you don't have any money. And I was like, yeah, I know. I was hoping for the best. But anywho, I'm putting it back in my club because I love it. So if you like those kind of scents, if you're into Arctic Kiss, if you're into polar bear hugs, all that kind of stuff, you will like this scent. All right. I know sometimes people are like, they get thrown off if it's licensed. I don't know what that is. They think that, I don't know what they think, but they don't try these scents. And it's crazy, you guys. Like Zoinks was great. Like we've had some really great, really yummy ones. Also, We're All Mad Here was good. Anyway, moving on. All right, so the next one is the Olaf Buddy Clip, and he is pre-scented with Warm Hugs. He's super duper adorable. So he smells like Warm Hugs. His arms, what is going on? We gotta fix him a little bit. He looks crazy. He looks a little cray-cray. But anywho, super duper cute. Oh, that's where the front, you guys, what is going on with him? He's had a hard day. Olaf he's had a really hard day. Anyways, he's super cute. He's got his little teeth. He's got his carrot nose. He's super cute. He smells amazing. He's scented with Warm Hugs, which I love. That is a fantastic scent. So that is Olaf. All right. The next thing I'm going to show you is the Elsa Buddy. And where's my, oh, here's my scent pack. She's pre-scented, or she's got a scent pack of the North Calls. So let's go ahead and open her up. Let's go ahead and open her up. Oh my gosh, she's going to be so cute. I'm so sad because I missed out on the Ariel. Hopefully one day they bring it back because I didn't get Ariel. Anyways, so here's Elsa. She's got her beautiful braid. She's really cute. Oh my goodness. Her dress is beautiful. Okay, let's get her together. All right, so let's look at her dress. Like very, very, very Frozen-y, right? She's really pretty. Oh my gosh. I love the way they did her hair. She's beautiful. And then she's got her boots, because remember, she wore boots and they're made for walking in snow, apparently. But yeah, she's super cute. So let's see, where does her scent pack go? Okay, so if you've never had a Scentsy buddy, they come with a scent pack, right? So what you do is, sometimes they're this way, sometimes they're on the tush. If you get one that's a whale, it'll be their mouth. Hers is right here, okay? So I don't want to open it up because I want to keep the scent pack. So basically you just stick this in there, zip her back up, and then she's scented. And she's going to smell amazing. But I want to try to keep that scent pack as long as I can. But so cute. I love her. I love the way they did her hair. Her hair is really cute. Really cute. I like her. She's really pretty. I'm so bummed I didn't get the Ariel, you guys. I didn't have money at the time, so I missed out. But I got Elsa. Now we need a Anna. We need an Anna because not everyone is an Elsa. Some people are like, no, I'm an Anna. So that is what I got, you guys. Like I said, I didn't get the, I did not get the what is it called? The Sven. But I already have a Sven. But I had customers that wanted Sven. But he sold out in like 3-4 minutes. Because they didn't have a lot of them. But he's super cute. But we do have another deer available, River the reindeer, if you want a reindeer. But anyway, this stuff is still available. And so I'll go ahead and drop, all my links are in the description below. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.